How to use your Hamilton House interactive talking pen. Product overview. The Hamilton House interactive talking pen is a unique device which pupils can use in conjunction with our primary level coursebook series, Little Yeti and Yeti and Friends. The talking pen features two different functions: talking pen mode, where pupils can tap anywhere on the page and anywhere in the book to hear the correlating audio, as well as application mode, where the audio material is automatically converted into video and interactive exercises, creating a blended learning environment on pupils' smartphones and tablets. The talking pen package contains the following items: talking pen, talking pen stand, USB charging cable, tablet smartphone stand. Let's familiarize ourselves with the pen. This is the on-off button. It also serves as the play-pause button. This is the mode switch button. These are the volume control buttons. This is the headphone jack. This is the charging port. This is the optical sensor. This is the indicator light. This is the speaker. And this is the reset button. How to use the talking pen. 1. Battery information. The talking pen operates with a built-in lithium-ion battery. To charge the pen, insert the USB charging cable to the charging port and connect it to a power outlet, or a USB charging port on your computer or laptop. When charging is complete, the red light on the mode switch button will turn off automatically. You can also see the charge level when the pen is connected via Bluetooth to your mobile device. 2. On-off button. To turn on the talking pen, press and hold the on-off button until you hear "Welcome" and the indicator light flashes. To turn off the talking pen, press and hold the on-off button until you hear "Goodbye." 3. Volume control. The volume can be raised or lowered by pressing the volume control buttons. 4. Book selection. Once the talking pen is turned on, tap the optical sensor anywhere on the front cover of your book. You will hear the title of the book.
Yeti and Friends 1. Published and copyright Hamilton House.
5. Mode switch. When you turn on the talking pen, it is in talking pen mode by default. To switch to application mode, press and hold the mode switch button until you hear
Application mode.
To change back to talking pen mode, press and hold the mode switch button until you hear
Talking pen mode.
6. How to tap on content. Holding the talking pen vertically, tap or drag the pen on the text and images and then lift it off the page. The talking pen will read out the content.
Hello, I'm Tony.
To avoid repetition of the content, do not hold the pen on the page for too long. Be careful. Tap gently in order to avoid damaging the optical sensor. 7. Tap and talk. Tap on the text, graphics, images, and icons in the book, and the talking pen will read it out. Tap slowly and gently, as the pen needs to process the scanned optical data. 8. Repetition. To hear something again, simply tap the talking pen continuously over the text or image. Installing the app. For Android devices. 1. Open Google Play Store. 2. Search for Tap and Talk, no spaces. 3. Click on the link that appears in the results. 4. Install the application. Installing the app. For iOS devices, 1. Open the App Store. 2. Search for Tap and Talk with or without spaces. 3. Click on the link that appears in the results. 4. Install the application. Connecting to Bluetooth. 1. With the talking pen on, press the mode switch button until you hear
Application mode.
and the blue light on the on-off button flashes. The pen is now in application mode. 2. To activate the Bluetooth function, open the app on your mobile device. When the app enters the connection page, it will automatically search for the talking pen. 3. Once the app has found the talking pen, push the Connect button on the screen to complete the Bluetooth connection. 4. If the application enters the main interface and the blue light on the on-off button is on, you have successfully connected to the app. 5. Now tap the pen on the cover of the book. You are now ready to begin your lesson. App Main Menu. After connecting the talking pen to the app via Bluetooth, you will enter the main interface. The main menu button is at the top left corner, and the battery level of the pen is shown at the top right corner. Switch device. When you need to switch to another talking pen, turn on the new pen and switch it to application mode. Then press the main menu button on your mobile device's screen, select Switch Device, and push Connect for the new pen. Download task. To download the contents of your book to your mobile device, simply tap the pen on the front cover. This step is only required for the first use. Your mobile device must be connected to the internet. The application will then automatically download the contents of the book and should only take a few minutes depending on the speed of your internet connection. To pause the download, press the pause button on the screen. To cancel and delete the download, press the X button. From time to time, the app may need to update. When a new version or updated version is available, the app will automatically prompt you with a message on the screen. Your mobile device must be connected to the internet for this to happen. You can choose to update the app or continue with the older version already installed. Parental control. With this function, parents can manage the book resources as well as the pen's updates. History. With this function, you can see a record of when and how long the pupil practiced their lessons with the talking pen. Operation. Selecting a book. Turn the talking pen on and tap it on the front cover of your book. Volume control. Click on the volume control buttons to raise or lower the volume of the pen or your mobile device. Content. Pupils can watch the animations and videos on their mobile device by tapping on the video icon,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
the sun icon in the lesson title,
To be. Affirmative. It's there. A, an.
It's a snake.
It's a cat.
and on the grammar item box on the top right of the second page of
be.
each lesson.
Affirmative. We're your.
Hello, I'm Helen, and Lizzie is my sister.
Yes, we're sisters.
The app can also read out the content by tapping each part of the text with the pen,
Tina, Yeti, look!
or by tapping on the icons that contain headphones.
1. Listen and read.
By tapping on the snowball icons or exercise numbers at the top of each exercise, pupils will be able to complete most of the exercises in an interactive form.
Great!
They can also watch and listen to the grammar examples by tapping the grammar boxes.
You're a friend.
Exit. If you need to exit any function while using the app, simply tap on a blank space of any page. If using the talking pen mode, just press the on-off button in order for it to stop.
Goodbye.
Precautions. 1. This is a high-tech electronic device, and it should not be exposed to water, moisture, high temperatures, or static electricity. Impact should also be avoided. 2. Always charge the talking pen with the cable provided. Do not use other cables. 3. Do not attempt to dismantle the talking pen. 4. As the tip of the pen is an optical sensor, do not knock or hit it in any way. And of course, if you have any further questions or need any assistance while using your Hamilton House Interactive Talking Pen, we are always just a phone call, email, or message away. Happy learning to your pupils, and happy teaching to you.
It's fun!
The Talking Pen is so easy to install and use that students, teachers, and parents alike will absolutely love it.